Welcome to our video on early neurological stimulation with Week 1 American Hairless Terrier Puppies. ENS is a series of gentle exercises that help stimulate the neurological development of young puppies. By providing specific sensory experiences, we can enhance their learning abilities, resilience, and overall well-being. This here is MJ, our blue boy with the orange collar. And he has something in his mouth, but we'll get to that later. But pretty much the first step we want to do is go ahead and weigh the puppies. They're pretty wiggly at this point. Probably going to get wiggly a little bit later, but it takes a good minute to get a good, steady weight on the puppies. Once you have a good weight or a good steady, point, you can go ahead and write that down on your chart. And then take him out. And then we'll start some tactile stimulation. So here what we do for tactile stimulation is we take a Q-tip or a soft cloth and rub it between each one of the puppy's toes. Lightly stroking. And this just gives the puppies, something new, something different to feel. Helps them get used to a variety of, different materials and feelings. The second thing we'll do is some balance and coordination exercises. So the first one is head elevation, where we hold the puppy head up, tail down, gently supporting their heads. And this helps promote balance and coordination with the puppies. We also do this in the opposite direction. Again, gently supporting the head and then turning them head down, tail up. Only for about 5 seconds. And then gently bringing them back up. The next one is the supine position, where you carefully place the puppy on their backs for a few seconds, gently stroking, and this kind of helps promote body awareness. And the final exercise is thermal stimulation. So we place the puppies on a cool towel for about 1 to 5 seconds, spin in the fridge for a minute, and this helps promote thermal regulation for the puppies. All right, thanks, MJ. So this here is Wilder. He's a black boy with white markings, and we're gonna weigh him also. Get a good weight and write that down. He's my most wiggly puppy. Call him Wilder, the wiggly one. And yeah, there he is. And we do our exercises. Head up. Lightly stroking. And then we'll do head down. Then we will do our supine position. And then we'll do our thermal stimulation for Wilder. See how he moves around quite a bit here. And this does gently, stress the puppies out a little bit. You don't want to do ENS when the puppies are stressed or the mom is stressed. This here is Ace, gray collar boy, and he's going through his ENS exercises. We'll do a quick wait on him. And right now the puppies are averaging anywhere from about 12 to 15 ounces. Ace is about 12.19 ounces right now. And we'll do our exercises on him. We will do our head elevation. You can just count from 1 to 5 seconds. Remember to continue to lightly stroke the puppy, getting them used to touch. And we'll do that in the reverse. He's wiggly too. And then we turn him over again. He doesn't like this. He's like, no, no. And now we're going to do our thermal stimulation on Ace. Usually their first experience with this is like, whoa, what is this? And they're rushed to try to get off of the cool towel. But Ace is pretty calm here. And remember, the puppy's eyes and ears are not open yet at this time. Next up, we have King, yellow collar boy. He's a black boy with white markings and tan points. And we'll do an inspection and also get a weight on King. Again, takes a few minutes to get a steady weight. They move around quite a bit on the scale. And King here is 12.43 ounces. We'll pull him out. Again, gently stroking. And then we'll do our head elevation exercise. And we will do the opposite direction. Go ahead and turn them head down, tail up. Turn them over. Putting them on their back. King is the same. He's like, no, no, I don't like this either. Just hold them there for 1 to 5 seconds again. He has some nice chest markings. And then finally, we'll do our thermal regulation on King. He's trying to get off there. Good job, King. All right. Last up here, we have Strike. He is our blue boy with white markings. He also has some faint tan points as well. And we're going to get a weight on Strike. Strike here is one of the biggest puppies as well, the blue boys. They're pretty big in the litter. He wants to come out of the weighing bowl. Come on, Strike. Let's get a good weight on you. Here we go. All right. And Strike is weighing in at 13.49 ounces. And we'll start with our head elevation. Go ahead and bring them head up, tail down. Let them recover a little bit. And then go ahead and do it in the opposite direction. Head down and tail up. Then we will do our supine position. Again, promoting balance and coordination with the puppies. And finally, our thermoregulation. So place them on a cool towel for a few seconds. And there we have it. So I forgot to record the tactile stimulation for everybody after MJ, but I did it. So there you go. All right, so let's recap the benefits. We have improved neurological function, increased resilience, enhanced bonding. So we help their brain development, cognitive abilities, give them some mild stressors for resilience and adaptability, and also bonding. Remember, ENS is just one part of a comprehensive care routine for these precious puppies. Check out our website for more information. Thank you for joining us, and bye.